Qualcomm partners with Asus to make a phone for Snapdragon Insiders. The Snapdragon Insiders Smartphone is a phone that combines the finest of Qualcomm's hardware and software innovations into one device. Asus is responsible for the phone's design and manufacturing, as well as its distribution and sales. This is the phone that was believed to be in development. The 6.78-inch FHD AMOLED display on the Asus ROG Phone 5 boasts a 144Hz screen refresh rate, 111.23% DCI-P3 coverage, and 1200 nits peak brightness. The Snapdragon 888 will power the phone on the inside. There isn't a single mention of Asus on the phone. A 64MP Sony IMX686 main sensor sits at the center of the triple camera system, which is flanked by a 12MP Sony IMX363 ultra-wide sensor and an 8MP telephoto lens. The picture processing software was provided by Asus, so we should anticipate the overall image quality to be comparable to that of current Asus phones. The connection of the smartphone for Snapdragon Insiders is its strongest feature. It supports all major 5G sub-6 GHz and M-Wave bands and combinations in the most complete way. It also includes the Qualcomm Fast Connect 6900 system and the 3rd-gen Snapdragon X65G modem for the best-in-class Wi-Fi experience via Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E networks. A 4,000 mAh battery keeps the show going, and the battery can be completely charged in under an hour thanks to a 65 watts fast charger that supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 5.0. The Snapdragon Insiders smartphone is also one of the first phones to use the Snapdragon Sound platform, which allows compatible earbuds and headphones to stream 24-bit, 96Hz music. On the software front, the smartphone comes pre-installed with a near-stock version of Android 11.